Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today it's going to be issue 23 of Build the Titanic, the Ship, the Legend by Hachette Partworks. Okay, so I hope you had a nice weekend. It was nice and sunny here, and yeah, it's a bit warm. So yeah, it was a bit warm here last week. That's why this video is a bit late, because it was far too hot to film anything in this shed. I'm having to film it really early in the morning, in the middle of the night, just to be able to come in here because it's nice and cool in here now. So yeah, we're on issue 23. I'm going to do issues 23. Tomorrow will be issue 24. We'll have some more Doll's House this week as well. So let me show you the parts we get and what we're doing in issue 23. So we're fitting the anchor winch. So these are the parts we get here. Basically what we're going to do is going to fit this part inside of here and secure that down into there. It wants us to use a ruler and make sure we've got 6 centimeters of the actual winch hoist part sticking out. So that's going to come out there just like that. So we're going to screw that down with 2 screws, which are AP screws. And then we're going to fit that inside the whole section, and that is all we have to do today. So this one should be a quick and easy video. So yeah, this one looks like it's not too difficult, this one. So yeah, if you haven't yet signed up for this, you can still do so. Head on over to hachettepartworks.com. You can subscribe to this all the way from issue 1, and you can build along with me and the community. So there's also Facebook groups, everything. I will leave links down to them in the description down below. You can head on over to there, check them out, share your pictures and videos or whatever over there. Okay, so without further ado, let's get the parts out of the packaging and start building. Okay, so I've got the parts out the packaging, and yeah, this is what we're going to start off with. So let's get started. So it wants us to have this first, and basically we're going to want 6 centimeters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this on the board, the squares on the board. So one of these is a centimeter, I believe. So about there is where we want it. So make sure you don't have it too tight. So we want it from the end of the silver bit to the start of the roll. So about there is perfect. That's where I'm going to go with it. Then we're going to take this, and this is going to go into here with this coming out the side. This is going to go into here. Slot that down into there. And that's going to come out the side. You can take this, plop this over the top. We can secure that down with 2 AP screws. Let's do this. Number 1. Just there. So this has got like the mechanism in it. They used to have in the little old toy cars back in the 80s and 90s when you used to pull them back and they used to go. They're called micro machines. So when we pull our anchor, theoretically it should do the same thing and lift our anchor for us. Sort of like this. Look, watch. Slowly and surely it's going in there. Pretty cool. Right, so we need to fit this now into the actual hole section. And so you can sort of see the 4 points where we're going on these 4 pegs here. So let's take this, lie this down on top of there. It fits absolutely beautifully on top of there. Then we're going to take 4 AM screws and secure that down. So let's get the first of these 4 AM screws in. That's number 1. Quite a different way of doing the anchor to the way they did the Bismarck. The Bismarck was a lot different. It was a programmed motor that brought in the chain. Let's get the last 2 in. That's that one. Last one now. You see I've still got all my stuff in here. This is where I'm keeping it for now. All the spare parts that it's given us over the time. So I've got my 4 windows and that in there, and just so I don't lose them. I'm quite bad for putting stuff away and been quite hard to find it. Keep it on here, I'll be able to find it. So yeah, with that is this issue all complete. So that is it, guys. That is issue 23 all complete, and yeah, we've got our sort of anchor mechanism all in there now. So the next one we actually do fit the anchor. So I'm looking forward to that. That one will be coming up tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.